If you want to track your steps on your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now some watch faces on the Galaxy Fit 3 might have a section which shows the steps which you have covered on your day. But if you're using any other watch face, let's say if you're using this watch face, it will not show the steps you have covered. So just swipe from the right side, and over here you will find the health widget. And as you can see over here, you can see the steps which you have covered. And if you tap on this widget, you can see your steps data more in detail. Just like that. As you can see from here, you can check the steps you have covered throughout the week. And if you want to go more in detail, just download the Samsung Health app from the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then just log into the Samsung Health app using the same Samsung account which you used to sign into the Samsung Wearable app. And from here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see more in detail the steps which you have covered. Just like that. And also you can check all your other health data. And this is how you can track your steps on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.